How to uninstall Djay. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove this application. First of all, navigate to the place where it is located. Now simply tap and hold on to it. Now here on the top you can see this eye icon. Simply tap on this eye icon. Now here we are in this app settings or app info. So this is the place where you can customize and make changes in the app. Here on the bottom there's a button called uninstall. Simply tap on uninstall. Now before doing this, you must have your account and password saved for later, because if you install it you might need it. So save it up first, and now simply tap on this OK button. So it will take some time, and as you can see the app is completely gone from my mobile device. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.